Aging, it's the one journey we're all on, a path no one can veer from. Every tick of the clock, every moment that slips by, our bodies, our cells are moving forward in time, steadily growing older, slowly winding down. Like a cosmic dance, we can't help but follow. But what if I told you that buried deep within your very cells, woven into the fabric of your DNA, there's a secret, a molecular key hidden in plain sight that might hold the power to not just observe this journey, but influence it, to slow it down, maybe even change its course. Enter small RNA, tiny, nearly invisible to the naked eye, but wielding enormous influence. These microscopic maestros are the ones running the show behind the scenes. They're not just passive bystanders, they're the conductors of the symphony that is your biology, determining which genes sing and which remain silent. They guide the process of life, of health, and yes, of aging. So today, let's journey together into the world of small RNA, where the smallest of molecules could unlock the biggest mysteries of life itself. And maybe, just maybe, hold the key to slowing down the relentless march of time. All right, let's take a journey inside the cell, right into the nucleus, where the blueprint of life, DNA, is stored. As we zoom in, we meet some of the most fascinating molecular players in the game. Small RNA molecules like microRNA or miRNA, and small interfering RNA known as siRNA. Now, these little guys don't get the glory of coding for proteins like their RNA cousins. They're not the construction workers of life. No, they're more like the architects, the behind-the-scenes masterminds. You see, small RNA doesn't build anything. It tells the builders what to build, when to build it, and sometimes when to stop building entirely. Think of small RNA as the unsung heroes of the genome, the cellular traffic controllers. They don't carry the materials, but they make sure that all the right genes are turned on and off at exactly the right moment, directing the flow of genetic information like a perfectly choreographed symphony. Without them, well, you'd have chaos, a molecular traffic jam. So, while they may be small, they're wielding tremendous power, keeping the whole operation running smoothly, ensuring that life doesn't just happen, but happens the right way. All right, let's dive deeper into the incredible world inside your cells. Picture this. Your cells are like bustling cities, each with its own set of rules, systems, and workers. Now, at the center of it all are these tiny molecules, small RNA, acting as master regulators. They're not building the city themselves, but they're directing the show, making sure everything runs smoothly. And when it comes to aging, these microscopic conductors are more crucial than ever. First, let's talk about gene regulation. Every day, your cells are repairing themselves, fighting inflammation, and managing energy through metabolism. Small RNA makes sure that the right genes are switched on for these tasks, just like a conductor ensuring each musician plays their part on cue. Without small RNA, those genes could go haywire. Imagine what happens if genes involved in cellular repair stop functioning properly. The results: DNA damage goes unchecked, cells break down, and the body starts to age faster. But it gets more complex. Let's talk about cellular senescence. That's when cells get old, stop dividing, but don't die. They just hang around, causing trouble. Think of them like broken down cars on a busy highway, clogging up the system. Small RNA plays a huge role here too. It controls the pathways that decide whether a cell stays young and healthy or becomes one of these senescent cells. When small RNA starts to malfunction, it's like the conductor losing control of the orchestra. Instead of a harmonious symphony, you get chaos. The cellular processes that keep you youthful fall apart, and the aging process picks up speed. In other words, small RNA is crucial to keeping the machinery of life running smoothly. When it's in balance, you age gracefully. But when it starts to misfire, that's when the gears start grinding, and the passage of time becomes all too visible. Let's take a moment to step back from the molecular world and look at the larger picture, literally. Out there in nature, there are species that seem to have mastered the art of aging slowly. Take, for example, the turtle. These creatures can live for over 100 years, moving through life with the kind of patience and longevity we humans can only dream of. And then there's the Greenland shark, known to live for centuries, quietly navigating the deep, seemingly unaffected by the passage of time. But what's their secret? Well, small RNA is likely a big part of it. In animals like these, small RNA helps regulate cellular processes in ways that keep their cells healthier for longer. These little molecules make sure that the genes involved in repairing DNA, fighting inflammation, and preventing cellular damage are always in tune, never missing a beat. Essentially, they slow the biological clock, allowing these animals to live extraordinarily long lives. And what about us? Well, scientists are uncovering something fascinating. Small RNA plays a similar role in humans, particularly when it comes to the aging of our tissues. Recent studies show that small RNA can influence how our muscles break down over time, a process that accelerates as we age. Small RNA is also implicated in neurodegeneration, the gradual loss of brain function seen in conditions like Alzheimer's. As we grow older, the regulation of small RNA becomes more erratic, contributing to the breakdown of muscle, brain cells, and other tissues. What this means is that by studying the way small RNA works in both animals and humans, scientists are learning how we might tweak these tiny molecules to extend our health span, possibly even our lifespan. Imagine a future where we can guide these molecular conductors, keeping the symphony of life playing smoothly for decades longer than nature intended. Now, let's venture into the future, a future where the smallest molecules in our cells become the biggest tools in our fight against aging. Scientists are at the cusp of something extraordinary, the ability to manipulate small RNA to slow down the aging process. Sounds like science fiction, right? But it's not, it's science fact. First, let's talk about RNA-based drugs. Right now, researchers are developing drugs that harness the power of RNA to target diseases like cancer and neurodegenerative disorders. These drugs work by zeroing in on malfunctioning cells and correcting the mistakes that lead to disease. But here's the kicker. What if we could use that same approach to target the mechanisms behind aging itself? We're not just talking about extending life, but extending healthy life. Then there's gene therapy, where things get even more futuristic. With tools like CRISPR, researchers are exploring ways to edit small RNA pathways, tweaking the code of life itself. Imagine being able to fine-tune your small RNA just enough to keep your cells running like a well-oiled machine well into old age. By adjusting the molecular signals that control cellular repair, inflammation, and metabolism, we could potentially slow down the biological clock and stave off the diseases of aging. Think about it, a world where we can guide these molecular maestros to keep the symphony of life playing in perfect harmony. No missed notes, no skipped beats. We may be on the verge of making that possible, a future where we don't just add years to life, but add life to years. Now, as exciting as all of this sounds, no great discovery comes without its hurdles. And when it comes to manipulating small RNA for anti-aging therapies, the challenges are significant. You see, small RNA doesn't work in isolation. It operates in a complex web of molecular interactions, like a vast, interconnected city where every signal has a ripple effect. Pinpointing the exact small RNA molecules to target out of the thousands in play is like trying to find a single, quiet violinist in a bustling symphony. One misstep, and instead of fine-tuning the aging process, we might trigger a cascade of unintended effects. And that's where the real challenge lies: unintended consequences. Small RNA isn't just involved in aging, it's also critical to a whole host of biological functions. By altering it, we risk disrupting other delicate processes in the cell, processes we rely on for everything from immune response to energy regulation. It's a delicate balance, and one wrong move could create more problems than solutions. We're standing on the edge of a major discovery, but the challenge is this: how do we intervene in such a way that we guide the aging process without derailing the other intricate systems at work? It's a question that keeps scientists awake at night, one we'll need to answer before we can fully unlock the potential of small RNA in aging research. So, what does the future hold? As we peer ahead, it's not hard to imagine a world where small RNA therapies are as common as vitamins, precisely designed to slow down aging without side effects. Imagine walking into a doctor's office, and instead of just managing the symptoms of aging, we're actively rewriting the biology of it, extending not just our years, but the quality of those years. In the next 50 years, this discovery could fundamentally change how we view aging. It won't just be a slow march toward decline, but an era of optimization, where the aging process is something we can tweak, adjust, and perhaps even pause. A future where healthy, active 90-year-olds are the norm, not the exception. The more we understand about small RNA, the more it seems like we're not only unlocking the mysteries of aging, we're redefining what it means to grow old. And that, my friends, may be one of the most profound shifts in human history. As we wrap up this journey through the microscopic world of small RNA, one thing is clear: the role of these tiny molecules in aging is like a puzzle. Each discovery brings us one step closer to understanding how we might one day slow down time itself, not in a mythical sense, but in the very real world of cellular biology. The beauty of science is that it's always unfolding, always offering new mysteries to solve. And with every new piece of the puzzle, we get closer to rewriting what it means to age. So stay curious, because the next breakthrough, well, it may come sooner than you think. And if you're as fascinated by the mysteries of life as I am, make sure to follow along. There's so much more to uncover. Subscribe, stay tuned, and join us as we continue exploring the incredible science that shapes our world, and maybe even our future.